Good morning, students. Let us start the chapter climate. In this chapter, we are going to start from the beginning, the basic concepts of the chapters. So, let us start. The first topic or term comes from this chapter is climate and weather. Difference between weather and climate or climate and weather. So, whenever we define climate, so we must include the temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. Whether we define weather or climate, both the time we should include these so that your definition should be very clear. So when we define the climate refers to the sum total of weather condition. Total of weather conditions. So that weather conditions, just saying weather condition not enough. We should include this also: temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. Precipitation means rainfall and the variation over a large area for long period of time, more than 30 years. So that long period of time is usually more than 30 years, because climate doesn't change in a small period of time or suddenly. It takes a lot of time, and that often looks that more than 30 years. Whereas the weather, so weather refers to the state of the atmosphere that are temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation over an area at any point of time. So that any point of time can be a day, few hours, 1 week, 1 month, even 1 year also. Seasonal variation also come in that weather change. So the weather conditions fluctuate very often within a day. In the morning you see that temperature looks very comfortable, very cool, but up at the noon time that temperature increase again. Evening the temperature start decreasing, and at night temperature used to be very low, and in the morning that becomes very lower, lowest in the daytime. But there is some common pattern over a few weeks or months, that is, days are cool or hot, windy or calm, cloudy or bright, and wet or dry. So these changes are observed. So on the basis of generalized monthly atmospheric condition, the year is divided into seasons. By observing all these, the year is divided into seasons such as winter, summer and rainy seasons. So generally in winter season we find that very cool temperature is usually very low, sometime cloudy, sometime clear sky, but intensity of sunlight is lower than other time. Here is spring season, flowery season you can say, and summer season you can see more intensity of sunlight used to be there. The rainy season is recognized by the rainfall and clouds. Winter season with the very cold climatic conditions. The world is divided into a number of climatic regions. As here in the map you can see the tropical. This middle line, that red color line, is the 0 degree equator, and above this 23 and half, and below this 23 and half, the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Between these Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, there is area of tropical region. You can say equatorial region, and whatever the regions fall in this region area that experience tropical climate. You can see here that blue color. So these areas in this region mainly that looks tropical climatic conditions. Hot arid area are the region that desert areas in this region, so that have different climatic condition according to the vegetation cover and the soil nature in that area. Then temperate. So between the Tropic of Cancer and this about 66 and half degree latitude, both the sides 66 and half. So this region falls in temperate region. Vegetation grows, but that that growth is not that well as in the tropical region. Needle shaped leaves usually found the conical shape of the trees looks in this region. Then beyond this to the polar areas, that continental climatic condition can be seen, or the polar area climatic conditions can be seen, where throughout the year snow cover is seen. After this we discuss about, let us see, monsoon. Concept of monsoon. What is monsoon? So the word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word mausim, which literally means season. And in this, monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal in the wind direction during a year. So seasonal reversal means according to change of the season, the wind direction just reversed. In the summer season you can see the wind direction is from southwest to northeast in India. And similarly in winter season, the wind direction you can see from northeast to southwest. So this is change of, you can say, reversal change of wind direction seen in our country, and because of this reason our country has monsoon type of climate. Next, the climate of India is described as monsoon type. The most prominent monsoon occur in South Asia, Africa, Australia, and the Pacific coast of Central America. Now, let us discuss about the regional variation in climatic conditions in India. If we think about temperature, temperature can be seen here. In summer, the mercury occasionally touches 50 degrees Celsius in some part of Rajasthan desert, this area, and whereas it may be around 20 degrees Celsius in Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir. On a winter night, temperature at Dras in Jammu and Kashmir may be as low as minus 45 degrees Celsius. Tiruvananthapuram, on the other hand, may have temperature about 22 degrees Celsius. Now, precipitation. Precipitation. There are variations not only in the form and type of precipitation but also in its amount and the seasonal distribution. While precipitation is mostly in the form of snowfall in upper part of Himalayas, it rains over the rest of the country. So in this hilly area, usually the high altitude region, snowfall occur and rest of our country that rainfall occur. The annual precipitation varies from 400 centimeter in Meghalaya to less than 10 centimeter in Ladakh. So this Meghalaya region usually experience 400 centimeter annual rainfall, and this is the wettest place of the world. And there only in this country there is a place found where 10 degrees centimeter 10 centimeter rainfall occur annually. Most part of the country receive rainfall from June to September. Usually the whole country receive rainfall during the summer season, that June to September, but some part of some parts like Tamil Nadu coast get large portion of its rain during October and November month. When there is a retreating of monsoon, the monsoon is returning, you can say. That time, during this October and November month, Tamil Nadu coast receive rainfall. In general, coastal areas experience less contrast in temperature conditions. Seasonal contrasts are more in interior part of country. There is decrease in rainfall generally from east to west in the northern plains. These variations have given rise to variety in lives of people in terms of food they eat, the clothes they wear, and also the kind of houses they live in. So such kind of variations are seen due to seasonal variation, due to temperature variation, due to rainfall variation. So all these variation changes the life of the people also, and that variation look in their life. So this was for today, students. Thank you and have a nice day.